Well, this is what I use for my travel kit. My little dog drinking collapsible bowl. It's perfect, mixes nice and easy with enough water. It's really simple, dollar store. First item is my portable painter. It has a mix of different companies, different colors that I've like when I do plein air. And it's not necessarily what I use in the studio, but it is what I prefer when I travel. A little bit of a different palette in there because of ocean colors and stuff, which I don't do in the studio very often. I also have a bunch of dollar store geometry set rulers, and then my Tombow pencils. I have 3 different shades that I use when I do my value studies. I have my little water brush. This one is really for quick fun paintings. My little kit recycled tin from Derwent, I think, has my ink pencils, my erasers, and I forgot the sharpeners. I'm gonna have to add them. Then I have my little art tool kit with a bunch of travel brushes. The first 2 you're seeing there are sable brushes, and I got them from a manicure nail specialist recommendation. They work great. Those 3 travel brushes are brand new. I'm going to be testing them in my next trip, so pretty excited about the range of sizes, and they're well protected in there. And that is all I take for brushes. This little palette is a charm. I really like it, sitting on a bench painting anything. It has more of a flowery colors and stuff, but as you can see, the little wells are magnetic and they pull out, and I can reset the colors and the layout. And then I have my Etchr Lab little sketchbooks. I bought a whole bunch of them when they were doing their launch, so I used them a lot for traveling. So this is my little travel kit, and I take it everywhere. It when I fly, I leave it in my checked luggage, though. I think I took them out once in my carry-on, and I did get stopped by CATSA because they wanted to see what all those metal parts were. So that's it. That's my little kit. If you want to see videos, I'm going to do a sketchbook tour soon, so stay tuned. Subscribe. I would like to build on the number of subscribers. That would be really cool. So see you soon. Goodbye.